It's 8 a.m. You've already hit the gym, meditated for 20 minutes, and checked off 10 small tasks on your to-do list. On a paper, you're a high performer. You feel disciplined. You feel productive. But deep down, in quiet space of your mind, you know the truth. You're hiding. You're using the gym to avoid making the sales call. You're using the research to avoid launching that project. You're using the easy hard work from your scary hard work. This is called Escapism Trap. It's the most dangerous form of procrastination because it doesn't look laziness on the outside. It looks like self-improvement. And today I'm going to show you how to stop playing at success and start actually winning. Let's get into it. The human brain is wired for one thing: energy conversion. Your brains know that self-improvement is a socially acceptable way to feel good without taking any real risk. Going to the gym is of course hard, but it's a known challenge for you. It's familiar. There's no risk of rejection in the gym. There's no chance of bankruptcy if you're reading a book. So the trap here is that you're filling your mind with maintenance tasks. You feel exhausted at the end of the day, so you tell yourself that, oh, I must have worked hard. But if you look at your bank account, your business, your mission, nothing has moved or changed for months. You aren't building a life. You're just building a very disciplined and very expensive waiting room. The first fix is conflict audits. Every task on your list falls into two categories: maintenance or growth. Maintenance could be like doing the gym, cleaning, answering emails, planning, reading. This will just keep you or hold you to your level. But growth, on the other hand, are the things that make your heart race, like firing a bad employee, pitching a big client, learning a new skill, launching that project, publishing an idea which is risky. So the protocol here is that you aren't allowed to do one maintenance task unless you have finished at least one growth task. Stop reward charging your brain for easy hard work in the morning. Do the one thing that you're most scared of. First, if you don't feel the pit in your stomach during the day or even first thing in the morning, you aren't working, you're just exercising. Protocol number 2, information fast. Most of you are self-help books junkies. You're using the book as a buffer between you and your reality. You think one more book will do the trick, but it doesn't. The rule is that for the next month, stop reading. If you already know what you need to do, more information is just distraction and noise. Use that reading time for execution time. Mastery isn't found in reading some books. It's found in doing the work repetitively. You don't need a new strategy. You need a new level of courage to use the strategy that you already know. Protocol number 3, the stubborn filter. To break the escapism trap, you need to stop the noise. The protocol is that spend 15 minutes in a day in total silence. No phone, no music, no self-improvement podcast, just you and your thoughts. Ask yourself, what is the one thing that I'm avoiding most? Or you could also pay attention to the task that comes in your mind in the middle of the day, but you tell yourself or you convince yourself that I don't have time right now, let's just postpone it. We'll get back to it. So win. Whatever pops up, write it down because that's your mission. Everything else is just distraction. Sovereignty is the ability to look at a scary task and do it anyway without needing a motivation video to get you started. So stop using bettering yourself as an excuse to stay the same. That's why after some time you see that, oh, I'm not seeing any results. The gym is great and the meditation is great, but only if they fuel for your mission, not that their mission itself. Although if that's your mission, then that counts. But if not, if just side quest like us, then that doesn't. So the challenge that I have for you is that tomorrow morning, skip the morning routine. Wake up and go straight to the hardest, scariest task on your list. No coffee, no prep, just action. Comment execution below if you're done hiding in self-help books and you're ready to actually play the game. Get out of that waiting room, get into execution, and I'll see you in the next one.